What if your drone could stay in the air for hours without constantly landing to recharge? Meet the Dock 3 with Tether system from Infinit Drones. It delivers continuous power directly to the aircraft through a rugged 50-meter tether cable, enabling true long-duration flight for surveillance, inspections, and emergency response. Everything is managed through DJI Flight Hub 2, giving you remote command, live monitoring, and full mission control from anywhere. Need mobility? The system can be deployed as a fixed installation or mounted directly onto trailers, trucks, vans, command vehicles, and specialized emergency response platforms. So it goes wherever the mission takes you. Built for BVLOS-ready deployments, it's designed for real-world operations and can be accessed without traditional piloting constraints where regulations allow. With an IP56-rated rugged design and autonomous recovery capabilities, it stays operational around the clock, even in harsh environments. This is continuous power, real BVLOS capability, ready to deploy right out of the box. The Dock 3 with Tether system manufactured by Nested Technologies and available exclusively at Infinit Drones.